What's up, operators? This is Jet DesertFox back with more gameplay from the Mako Advanced Combat Center in Lawson, Missouri. Today I'm operating alongside Greg, callsign Patches. Patches is an avid airsofter and one of the owners of the MACC. The game we are playing is essentially search and destroy. Our team must take a briefcase bomb and get it into one of two bomb sites. Oops, sorry. All right.
Going low. Let him go low. Right in the middle. Come on.
Where are we going, Patches?
Right down the middle.
Oop, not gonna be able to get a shot right there. Tango down. Hey, I don't think your shotgun's feeding. Because you totally would have shot me right now if it was.
Take it down. Yo, people there? Yeah. Where they at? Right there. Yo, is he behind that? Aim to the right. Pass it. Aim to the right. Yo. Aim right. Move it, Jeff.
Roger. Coming up on your 6. Go, close in, close in.
Loading.
Got you.
Good. I'm up.
Oh, he's in the RV.
Hey, RV, in the RV. We need to get to cover.
Aim to the right. How we getting those clouds behind the RV?
He's down, Tango down. Where? Harrison. Left! Left! Look left!
We have to win. We have to win. Pitch line, bro.
Who is that?
Those are bad guys.
No, who's... Look left!
Wanna move it up?
Listen, we should hit the road and hit them from the side.
Yeah, I agree.
Let's go.
Let's go. Right now.
Greg, I'm coming in! Cover! All right, let's hit green.
Remember the respawn back there, that's gonna be the strong corner. Are they already green?
You can see Sticks here holding the briefcase bomb.
Let's go. Let's get this.
Hang on, wait till he changes. Oh, oh, go!
Let the door away.
Keep shooting! What the hell?
Come out!
I got your 6.
2, 3.
Somehow, Patches and I are the only ones to survive the initial charge up the hill.
Hey!
Keep them busy.
As I cover the door, Patches pulls in teammates to be medicked.
Bring him up. Hey, move him up. Move him up.
Whoa.
There it is.
In that window.
Can we just throw it in there?
Tango down.
Hey,
Hey, there's a murder hole right here. They're gonna throw a grenade out.
I know. Anybody got one?
Well, no, hold on.
I'll just climb up.
Who's got a grenade?
Head!
We're good.
Hey!
Pull him in. Oh, there's a snake above you.
That's a pretty big snake.
Yeah.
Bro.
What kind of snake is that?
Small one right now.
Do we need to move?
I think it's alright.
Okay, there's. That's a big.
He's coming for you, eh?
Don't move.
What you doing, man? He said, what you doing?
Hey, let's capture him and throw him in the murder hole. Snake out. All right.
Hit!
Watch that corner. That's where he's getting hit, bro.
Oh, I see him. Wait, is that our guy? No, that's.
Right here.
Who is that? Is that enemy right there? I don't know who that is. Okay, he's down. Whoever he is, he's dead now.
Yep.
No, wait.
All we have to do is get it in, right? Yeah.
Into green?
All we have to do is get it in.
Oh, okay, hang on. Dude, they're shooting out. They're shooting out of the door, though.
This door right here?
Yep.
And then you got the grenades. Hey, I got poop around. I was gonna go around if you want me to.
Oh yeah.
You ready?
Wait.
Patches and 2 other teammates prepare to storm the building.
Hit!
Okay.
One of them's dead. I can't tell if the other one's dead.
I'm dead.
Don't pick the corner. Don't pick the corner.
Jet.
Yep.
You take this corner.
Wait,
I got that one.
Wait.
Dead.
I know where this guy's at.
Okay.
How many medics did we get? One?
Tango down.
I was watching them. They didn't get him.
You got that one?
Yeah, not really. I have no idea where he is.
Shit. Okay, alright, we're gonna switch.
Come on, Tam, move up!
Shh.
It's now just Patches and I outside the bomb site building with the bomb. To make matters worse, the defenders inside know we are outside.
Right here,
I heard him.
there's that, whatchamacallit.
I got something. He's not popping out.
Okay. I already got the guy that got our 2 guys here.
I got a lot of. I think he just pushed open that door.
Okay.
Is that green?
I don't know. Just. Huh?
I'm popping around.
No.
Yes!
Green.
At a decisive moment, Patches turns the corner and throws the bomb into the bomb site, winning us the game. Hope you operators enjoyed this gameplay footage from the Mako Advanced Combat Center in Lawson, Missouri. Let me know in the comments below how you guys and gals handle wildlife such as snakes on the playing field. As always, this is Jet, DesertFox, and I'll see you on the field.